All right, everybody, I'm BJ from the 478. I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel, and I want to talk to you about my newly acquired 22 Jailbreak Redeye Charger. I recently just put the 24-inch Vossen Forded wheels on it. I don't know if y'all seen my other video when I first installed them, but I want to give you an update and a rundown of what I got going on with it today as it sits. Today I'll go ahead and be putting the side panels, the rocker panels on here, the full carbon fiber, and also it will match this front carbon fiber splitter. And man, I'm telling you, the support and the love I've gotten from some of my new subscribers and some of my old subscribers, I just want to say thank you. Your comments have just been, some of them are funny, and then some of them is just like, man, you know, it's a nice looking charger. I do what I do. I don't try to be better than anybody. I just like what I like, and when you like something and you're an actual car enthusiast, it says a lot. So I've had some questions on people saying, DJ, is it a wrap? No, it's not a wrap. It's actually what this color is indigo blue. And if it was a wrap, you would, they wouldn't wrap these doors all the way as well. But yeah, it's indigo blue. Let me see, can I get the paint color? It doesn't give the, I don't see the paint color, but as you can see, you know, it's a 22 model. It does come with the green belt on here, the 2.7 supercharger, all the amenities, the jailbreaks, and I want to say some of the Hellcats with the performance package, they also come with the upgraded filter. I'm gonna leave that on there for right now because I don't think it's gonna, I'm not racing this car, you know what I'm saying? I usually take this car to the shows and all that good stuff, but I'm gonna leave the filter on there. I will, I have an upgraded ported and polished snorkel going on here and some new pulleys. And matter of fact, I need to go ahead and put that JLT oil catch can on here as well. But a lot of people, you know, post online about them selling jailbreaks. Okay, so what makes this a jailbreak is you can get a numerous amount of different color variants and interior variants in this car. So I see a lot of them with posting that they're jailbreaks and whatnot. So the jailbreak will come with this badge here, and also you have a certain trim level to where you can add all the interiors to a certain color, because I want to say you can only get 4 when you order a car. You can only get 4 different variants of colors, and a lot of times interiors won't go with certain colors, like they won't offer it. So this is actually the hammerhead gray in my vehicle right now, and actually it looks good. I mean, I like it. I don't have any complaints, but only that it'll probably get dirty as hell. But in this one right here, I think in the difference between my 21 and this one, this middle part of the seat does not let that out. Yeah, this part, it's all attached to the seat, so you have to let that whole seat, but that armrest doesn't let down in this one. Other than that, oh, let's check out this. Grab these keys, and like I say, people, I appreciate the love more than anything. I got a lot of good comments off my last video. You know, it's some of the questions that, like I said, I wanted to answer, like, yeah, was this car wrap? No, it's not car, it's not wrap. I also have a ceramic clear tint on here. I don't do tint, people. A lot of people want me to tint my windows. I can't because it's hard for me to see at night. So off subject, but another thing too, the Redeyes will come with the 220 speedometer. So you'll see a lot of, just be cautious, like when you see these dealerships and everything posting up these cars online, they'll have jailbreak on those cars, but they're not jailbreaks because they have the 200 mile per hour speedometer, which comes in the regular Hellcats. And the jailbreaks and the Redeyes have the 220. So don't be fooled. Tell them to pop the hood. And what they want you to do is they want you to get down there. You know what I'm saying? They want you to get down there first. And then it was like, oh, okay, well, you're here now. You know what I'm saying? And you end up still buying it. But yeah, that red key, you're set up. And this is gonna tell everything, because what you wanna see the 807. So once you see the 807, dude, you know it's a Redeye. You know what I'm saying? You know it's a jailbreak Redeye, because the jailbreak is 807. The regular Redeyes are like what, 997 or something like that. Just shy of 800. Let's put it like that. But you know, like I said, once you go in it and you open up this performance page, if it don't say 807 on there, it's not a jailbreak. So don't be fooled, people. Know how to spend your money, but know what to look for. So this car, I chose it to come with, and I'm geeked over carbon fiber, man. I'm telling you, carbon fiber trim is it's unthinkable. Let's put it like this. All my motorcycles have some form of carbon fiber in it, and I think it's the best thing smoking since sliced bread. So I love carbon fiber. All my cars will have accents in it. This right here is full factory, and it's like a satin. It's not a gloss, but it does the part. The accents it just is there. I mean, good piece, better than just the plastic looking piece. And that thing is actually full carbon fiber. So don't be fooled just by a regular Hellcat, because a lot of people can't tell. But these jailbreaks are going to come with that green belt. They're going to come with a 2.7 liter supercharger, which, as you can see, I don't know how that daggum hood shut because of how high it's risen up. So if you think about it, just when you're looking at stuff in the get, just know what you're looking at. Be cautious about buying certain things for the simple fact that you don't want to accidentally buy the wrong thing. I greatly appreciate you tuning into my channel. Next one I'll upload, I'll keep you tuned. I'm BJ from the 478. Thank you.